A student performed an investigation in which two ivy plants were planted in two separate containers. One of the containers had earthworms mixed in with the soil, and the other container had soil and no earthworms. The plants were given the same amount of water and exposed to the same amount of sunlight. The students observed that after several weeks of growth, the plant exposed to earthworms appeared to be healthier and exhibited more growth. To conclude that the relationship between the plant and the earthworm is an example of mutualism, the student must perform which of the following follow-up investigations? All right, so if we look at the question itself, it's asking about the relationship between the plant and the earthworm, and it says it's an example of mutualism. Okay, and it's basically asking, how do we know that? What else could we study to figure out if this is really an example of mutualism? Okay, so in order to answer this question, what we really need to do is remember what mutualism is. Okay, so mutualism, that's going to be a type of symbiotic relationship. Okay, and remember, that's a relationship that two organisms have together. Okay, now mutualism, that's going to be like having two smiley faces. Okay, so in mutualism, both organisms are going to benefit from the relationship. Okay, it's a mutual relationship. They both get something good out of that relationship. Okay, so keeping that in mind, go ahead and look at answer choices and figure out which one of these answer choices, which one could we do a follow-up experiment with to determine if it was really mutualism that happened.